2 freight trains departed southwest China's Chengdu and Chongqing on Saturday, destined for the Lao capital Vientiane. The trains, transporting light commercial trucks, nuts, motorcycle parts, chemicals, and other products, will arrive in Vientiane via southwest China's Yunnan province in 3 days. Before the opening of the China-Laos Railway, it took 7 to 8 days for goods from Chengdu and Chongqing to arrive in Laos over land, and about 30 days when transported by both land and sea. The China-Laos Railway cuts the travel time to 3 days.